George is a young man. He doesn't have a wife, but he has a very big dog. And he has a very small car too. He likes playing tennis. Last Monday, he played tennis for an hour at his club. And then he ran out and jumped into a car. His dog came after him, but it didn't jump into the same car. It jumped into the next one. "Come here, silly dog!" George shouted at it, but the dog stayed in the other car. George put his key into the lock of the car, but the key didn't turn. Then he looked at the car again. It wasn't his. He was in the wrong car, and the dog was in the right one. "He is sitting and laughing at me," George said angrily, but then he smiled and got into his car with the dog.
Hi there, everybody. I hope you enjoy our lessons. This is lesson 2 from story 2. Okay, now I'm going to ask you so many questions, so you have to answer it. If you don't know how to answer, never mind, no problem. You can listen again, and the second time, of course, you can answer. Please listen to this lesson more than 2 times. This lesson helps you to improve your English, your speaking especially. Okay, let's get started. George is a young man. Question number 1. Who is a young man? Yes, George is a young man. Question number 2. Is he a young man? Yes, he is a young man. Question number 3. Is he old or young? Young, of course, he is young. Good. Number 4. Is George a boy or a girl? No, George is a boy, is a man. George is a young man. Okay, let's go. He doesn't have a wife. He doesn't have a wife. Question number 1. Who doesn't have a wife? Who? George. Yes, George doesn't have a wife. Number 2. Does he have a wife? No, he doesn't have a wife. He doesn't have a wife. Question number 3. What doesn't he have? Yes, he doesn't have a wife. He doesn't have a wife. Number 4. Is he married? No, he's not married. He is single. He is not married. He doesn't have a wife or girlfriend. Okay, let's go. But he has a very big dog and he has a very small car too. Question number 1. How many dogs does he have? How many dogs does he have? He has only one dog. A dog. He has a very big dog. Good. Number 2. Is the dog big or small? Yes, big. The dog is big. The dog is huge. Big. Good. 3. What else does he have? What else does he have? He has a very small car too. Also, he has a very small car. George has a very small car. Number 4. Does he have a small or big car? Yes, he has a very small car, not big car. He doesn't have a big car. He has a small car. He has a small car. Very good, let's go. He likes playing tennis. George likes playing tennis. Who likes playing tennis? George. George likes playing tennis. Number 2. What does he like? He likes playing tennis. He likes playing tennis. Number 3. What is his favorite sport? Yes, tennis. His favorite sport is playing tennis or his favorite sport is tennis. He likes playing tennis. Question 4. Does he play football or tennis? Tennis, of course. He plays tennis. He plays tennis. Okay, last Monday he played tennis for an hour at his club and then he ran out and jumped into a car. Question number 1. When did he play tennis for an hour at his club? When? What time? Last Monday. Last Monday he played tennis for an hour at his club. Yes. Number 2. Where did he play tennis for an hour? Where did he play tennis for an hour? He played tennis at his club. Yes, at his club. Tennis club. Number 3. What did he play for an hour at his club? What game? Tennis. He played tennis for 1 hour. Number 4. How many hours did he play? How many hours did he play? Yes, an hour. 1 hour. He played tennis only 1 hour. Very good. Number 5. Where did he jump into? Where? Where did he go? Where did he jump into? He jumped into a car. He jumped into a car. Number 6. Where did he run out? He ran out and jumped into a car. He ran out of the club and he went to the car. He ran out. He ran out of the club. Very good. Let's go. His dog came after him, but it didn't jump into the same car. It jumped into the next one. Question 1. Did his dog come after him? Did his dog follow him? Yes, his dog came after him. His dog came after him. Number 2. Did it jump into the same car? Did it jump into the same car? No, no. It jumped into the next car. The dog jumped into the next one, the next car. Number 3. Were they in the same car? No, they were in different car. They weren't in the same car. They were in different car. Good. Number 4. Where was the dog? The dog was in the other car. The dog was in the right car. Very good. Let's go. Come here, silly dog, George shouted at it, but the dog stayed in the other car. Question 1. What did George shout to the dog? What did George shout to the dog? George shouted at the dog, "Come here, silly dog! Come here, silly dog!" Question 2. Who did he shout to? Who did George shout to? George shouted to the dog. Shouted at the dog. Number 3. Did the dog stay or go to George? Yes, the dog stayed in the car. The dog didn't go to George. Didn't go to George. Number 4. Why did the dog stay? Yes, because the dog knew that it is in the right car. But the man, George, is not in the right car. George is in a wrong car. But the dog is in the right car. It means the dog knows the car better than George. Very good, let's go. George put his key into the lock of the car, but the key didn't turn. Then he looked at the car again. Question 1. Where did George put his key into? George put his key into the lock of the car. The lock of the car. Number 2. Did the key turn? No, the key didn't turn, of course. Number 3. Why did the key not turn in the lock of the car? Why? Because the car is not George's car. George is in a wrong car, but the dog is in a right car. Number 4, what did he do again? Yes, George looked at the car again. George looked at the car again. Very good, let's go. It was not his. He was in the wrong car, and the dog was in the right one. Question 1. What was not his? The car. Yes, the car was not his. The car was not George's car. 2. Was the car George's car? No, the car wasn't George's car. The car was for someone else. Number 3. Who was in the wrong car? George. Yes, George was in the wrong car. 4. Who was in the right car? The dog. Yes, the dog was in the right car. Very good. He's sitting and laughing at me, George said angrily. Question number 1. What is the dog doing? The dog is sitting and laughing at George. What is the dog doing? He is sitting and laughing at George. Number 2. Who said he is sitting and laughing at me? George said. George said he is sitting and laughing at me. Number 3. Did George say angrily or calmly? Yes, George said angrily, not calmly. Not calmly. George said angrily. Number 4. Who is the dog laughing at? The dog is laughing at George because he was stupid. Yes. Let's go. But then he smiled and got into his car with the dog. Who smiled? Yes, George smiled. George smiled. Number 2. What did George do then? George got into his car with the dog. Who got into the car with the dog? George. George got into the car with the dog. Did the dog change the car or Mr. George change the car? Of course, George. George changed the car. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for listening. Please listen to this a few times until you can understand and you can answer all the questions. I promise you, your English speaking will be very good just if you keep going and if you move your mouth and speak and answer the questions. Have a great time. See you in another lesson. Bye bye.